Morning students, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. Yes, in the previous video we have studied about food and the various functions of food. And today I will tell you the food which we take, which we eat, how it is consumed and what do you call this process. The process by which we take food and its utilization, it is known as nutrition. It is known as nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food and its utilization by the body. It is known as nutrition. And nutrition is of four kinds. First is autotrophic nutrition, second is heterotrophic nutrition, third parasitic nutrition, and fourth is saprophytic nutrition. Today we will discuss about autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self. Auto means self. Plants, as you are able to see these plants, this plant is able to synthesize its food itself. It does not need anybody. So this kind of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means plants make their food themselves. So this is known as autotrophic nutrition. Now the question is how plants prepare their food themselves. Plants, as you are able to see this plant take roots. Roots are present under the soil, and roots, what is the function of roots? Roots take water from the soil. Second thing is stem. This stem carry water from the roots and supply to these leaves. And as you are able to see, these leaves are green in color. Why these leaves are green in color? Who will tell me? This color of leaf is green due to the presence of chlorophyll. And what is the function of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and help in making of food. Now the question is how these leaves take carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere. Here carbon dioxide is present, and how this leaf will take in the leaf, under the leaves, small pores are present, small holes are present. These holes are known as stomata. These holes are known as stomata under the leaf. Stomata are not present on the upper surface of the leaf, but they are present on the lower surface of the leaves, and they are surrounded by guard cell. Through these pores, carbon dioxide will enter into the leaves, and through these pores oxygen gas is released, and evaporation, transpiration, you can say, that I will explain in the next video. Transpiration also take place through these stomata. Now what students you have learned, that this plant make its food with the help of water, carbon dioxide, sunlight which plant is getting from the sun, and chlorophyll which is very much essential for making food. This process is known as photosynthesis, and because plants make their food themselves, the plants are known as autotroph. Now I will show you diagram of this autotrophic mode of nutrition. Yes, diagram, please focus this diagram. Yes, this diagram you have to draw, and okay. Now this reaction you have to write down, note down. This reaction is carbon dioxide plus water, means both react together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Then carbohydrate is formed, that is the food, and water vapor and oxygen gas is released. So thank you. Have a nice day.